Hi friends, let's see a review on Kumon's first book of tracing. I do homeschooling. I love spending time with my kids. My kid is a 3 years old and I was practicing him to write and nothing worked for him except this book. So this book works very fine for him. And he's so interested in all the worksheets in this book. Actually, it is a 40 this book has a total of 40 worksheets and he just started writing within 2 days, so it did wonders. And I have I have removed pages from the book and I have laminated them, and so that I can reuse it, and I'm using a dry erase marker. So let's go to the pages, worksheets. So this is the first worksheet, and the crab goes for a walk, and this each page has an instruction for the parent to follow. And actually, while starting each worksheet, I used to tell a story for my son, so he's so excited to do each and every worksheet. And it starts with the basic lines. In the woods, these are the basic lines he started with. Draw a line from one cat to the other. Swimming pool. I tried a lot of online free materials to make him write, but nothing worked for him. And this is the first book he completed within 2 days. And I'm so happy, and he loves doing this again and again. And so this is about the sea creatures. This is a practice about the slanted line. Flying over the rainbow. Curved lines. He loves sea animals, so he likes dolphins a lot. So he had fun doing this. These are the curved lines, and he likes animals. So this zoo, a tour on the zoo. So this is a zigzag line. Let's compare this later. This is a treehouse hunt. Oranges. Curvy drive. So it is so fun for him to do this spin lines, and he says spin, spin, spin and stop. We have to start from here and spin, spin, stop here. This is the zigzag line, and look at the 12th worksheet, and this is a 28th worksheet, and there I find there's a perfection in this zigzag line comparatively. So this is about the whole book. We have the space flight, then we have the scary haunted house, and we have green caterpillars eating vegetables, surfing, doing loop the loops, climbing the steep mountain, racetrack, a path on the castle. I think the 40 worksheets, they are also given after the completion of 40 worksheets, they are also given a certificate of achievement, and it actually uh, it actually encourages a child to finish all this activity. I personally recommend this book because it's so good, and my son started writing or started tracing the letters in just 2 days. I personally recommend this book. Good job. That's a curved line. Good job. Now you have to do this one. Good, awesome. Good job. That looks like a curved line. Good job. Awesome. Draw a line in the red path and then in the blue path. You have to draw a line in the red. You have to start from here.
I need a pinch.
Yeah, you have to start from here and you have to end in the start. Good job. Good. Look at the arrow, man. You draw a line from one piece of candy to the matching piece of candy. It should be a zigzag line. Can you draw? Good. Good. Awesome. Awesome. You're doing great. 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 Good job.